The reason why this is so close to my heart is because I see a lot of people suffering. And the sad part is that they're suffering all by themselves. They're all alone. You know what? With the many people that we've talked to since the past year, many of them are suicidal. That's how bad it is. This afternoon, you won't be able to see it. Maybe the replay, no? ANC Online is going to have a segment on how people are so much in debt. Half of the Filipinos now are in debt, 10% are into the 5-6. They're addicted to the 5-6. You ask the people, I saw it on the TV, sabi nila, tanggalin na natin 5-6. Sabi nila, wag! Wag! Ang hirap kaya umutang. Dito walang documentation sa bangko, meron pa. Ang dali-dali. Okay? But when they get buried into debt, yan ang susunod. And why? Because pag hindi makaputang, ito nangyayari. Nagkakaroon ng unfair collection practices. Some use threat. There's use or threat of violence that can harm not only physically but the reputation of a person. They use obscenities, insults, profane language. They even disclose the names. Tatawag sa opisina. Hoy, alam mo si ganyan, may utang na malaki yan. Bawal yun. Bawal yun. They threat to take some action na hindi naman legal. For example, sige, pag hindi ka nagbayad, dadating din mga polis, itotokan ka namin mamaya. Wala naman ganun. O papahan ka namin. Hindi mo naman usin death penalty. They communicate or threat to communicate false credit info. And they make false representations para na makakuha ng data. Siguro para makuha yung telephone number, para mahabol at whatever. And this, they make calls, they make contacts before 6 a.m. or after 10 p.m. Now please note, that is allowed kapag daw yung account is past due for more than 60 days or the cardholder has given his express permission. Tawag mo kung ganitong oras, before 6 or after 10. O siguro kasi BPO worker siya, night shift. Ayan, dito na siya pwede mag-contact. But otherwise, dapat hindi. Dapat hindi. So, what is the first way to help people who are drowning in debt? The first way is restructuring. Now, I'll get a little bit nosebleed here. That is the formula in Excel. Okay? It's simply a formula how to compute po yung amortization. Amortization is called PMT or payment. Payment. Now, it's based on three things pala. The rate of interest, the number of periods or NPER, and the loan amount or the present value.